see those guys going crazy, you know. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So today we are trying out a new camera angle. Definitely doesn't look as good through my phone, but you know, I thought the other one looked good and it didn't. So we're gonna try something new out because that's how it works. Yeah, I got some new gloves, courtesy of my lady, right? I gotta break them in though, they're super stiff right now. Or I don't even know if I would call it break it in or if this is just how stiff they're always gonna be. When you skateboard, you would break in new shoes by putting them in the microwave. So as long as these have no metal on them, maybe I can put them in the microwave, loosen them up. But yeah, on testing out a new camera angle, I already don't think it looks that good, so this might just be a waste of a video. The ground is wet. These gloves are so grippy. I literally okay, I'm used to bare hands or just like fabric cloth winter gloves. And they're kind of, my hands I guess are a little slick and those cloth gloves are a little slick. But these, I can't even twist my hand. That feels good. It feels good. I like them. And the color's nice, they're blue and white and black. But this ride, I don't even know what this ride is about. I was, oh yeah, the whole ride was just to test a new camera angle. So let's see how it looks when I'm just riding around. And yeah. Oh my goodness. And the most important part of this video is that new camera settings. Mostly it's just all automatic now, whereas before I tried some settings I found or whatever, and I didn't like the color that it came off of, or the color that the footage looked like raw. It's D-Log. I'm sure you camera guys know what that is. I don't, but I do not know what that is, and I just tried it. And now we're trying the cameras out of the box settings. It's also a lot darker right now than it is the last time I rode and shot. Last time it was the middle of the day, and it had just snowed a bunch, so there was white everywhere. And the sky was white and gray, so the footage couldn't have looked that good anyway, you know, realistically. And I'm hoping if these settings look good right now in this low light, then I'll just keep it this way. And then I gotta try it again another time in the daytime. So yeah, quick cruise to the neighborhood. Hopefully the street lights and the other cars' lights, you know, we'll see how those look, honestly, after I watch it back. But oh, some traffic. I'll just flag them on. No? Alright, too late. And yesterday outside, I live in Canada, so I'm gonna say it in Celsius. Yesterday outside was like -3. Which I swear is in like the high 20s for Fahrenheit. And today it's 45 Fahrenheit or 9 degrees Celsius. Basically what I'm trying to say is it's really nice out for what it should be right now. So that's why I took the bike out again. I'm almost obligated to when the weather's this nice. I gotta manually do my signals. Yeah, this guy didn't even know, that's my fault. Sorry, buddy. Also, like I said, the ground is wet, so if you see me turning straight up and slow, I just don't feel like slipping out. It's cold. It's cold and wet. And if I just drop this for no reason, that'd be kind of silly. And it can happen. My screen went black on the camera, so let's see what happened there. Oh. Okay, so eventually the screen goes black on the camera, but it's still recording. Okay, cool. New camera. Oop, new gear, guys. New gear. These gloves are sticky, like really sticky. They stick to the clutch, which I don't like. I don't know if you just saw that there. I like couldn't let go of it. Okay, that's a new thing to think about with these new gloves. I know the sound quality is gonna be like bad because I don't have a mic right now. My visor's been up the whole time, and now I'm putting it down just so when I wash this back I can see if there's a difference. And I think there was a difference, but put the visor back up because I like the air on my face. I wasn't planning to ride long. I was really just riding to shoot this video. I don't know if I should change anything while I'm out and about and watch, like, try new things, I guess. Or if I should just do this at one time. Also, the whole new angle, man. I literally have no idea what you guys can see. I'm trying to look through the camera while riding, but on the front of my helmet, so I can just only see the top bit of the screen. But last time there was no handlebars and way too much sky in the footage. So hopefully this time is better. Nice little straight road. What does that mean? Whoa! Went a little high there. That was pretty bad. That was very bad, actually. I was going so slow at the start that I just started turning and I couldn't lean over enough to turn back. I'm no pro. I am not a professional. I see those guys going crazy, you know, right? Wheeling down the street, scraping it, and they keep going. Oh man. I'll get there one day. I'll get there one day. I know you can't hear me when I'm riding this fast, so I don't really want to talk. But if you can, I'm on a bone stock Grom with pro taper bars. Everything else is stock. And that's about as much as I can really, like, currently. And it's my first season on a bike, or like on a bike on the street, I should say, because I've had pit bikes, and I only had one pit bike, and I had a CBR 600 like 8 years ago when I really shouldn't have been riding, and now we're here 8 years later. Actually, it was probably more like 10, 11 years ago, but now I'm out riding again, but only on a Grom, and I actually enjoy it a lot. It's just fun. It's fun. I don't know if I plan to do any mods to it. Maybe an exhaust. I don't know, but I like it quiet because I could just take it places where I probably shouldn't. Ride it late at night. Do nothing. I'm not gonna say that. I'm probably gonna upload this video too. So this will be the second motovlog I've ever made, if it could even be considered a motovlog. But hopefully it was a good video. I'm gonna just end it off here on my way back to where I'm headed. And next time the footage will probably look different because I'll probably be testing something else then as well. But for now, take care, and until next time.